Often, a commercial truck will have an issue, but no check engine lights and no obviously failed components. Often, even the most experienced technicians aren't sure where to start or what causes a symptom. But Diesel Repair's Symptom-Based Troubleshooting database does. Search by make, engine, year, and model, then pick your vehicle's symptoms. You will quickly and easily find a list with possible causes, along with steps to diagnose the problem. You can even print and save the details as a PDF for easy retrieval. Developed and organized by our in-house experts at Diesel Laptops, Diesel Repair's Symptom-Based Troubleshooting is designed to help everyone from novices to experts with any service issue. Try Symptom-Based Troubleshooting and all our other tools free for 30 days. Head to repair.diesellaptops.com to get started today.